subscribe.
Hi guys. Welcome to Smart Sky. In this tutorial, we will learn how to modeling a teacup. If you want similar video like this, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Select the default cube. Then press tab to edit mode. Select top face. Press X to delete faces. Click on modifier. Select bevel. 15. 0.7. Then press tab to object mode. Click apply. Again click modifier. Select solidify. 0.07. Click apply. Right click to shade smooth. Press 1 to change view. Shift plus A. Mesh. Click torus. Press G to move torus. Click on object properties. Rotation X to 90. Press S to scale the object. Tab to edit mode. Click wireframe. Select half of the object. Press X to delete faces. Then press tab to object mode. On object. Set origin. Origin to center of mass. Press S to scale the object. On location change X-axis value. To move the object. Also Z-axis. Select torus. Shift plus left click. Control plus J. To join object. Press 7 to top view. Shift plus A. Mesh. Click plane. Press S to scale it. Press 1 to change view. Press G to move the object. Press 7 to top view. Select light. Press G to move light. Shift plus D to duplicate. Likewise place 4 light. Click on render preview. Now you see the teacup. But the color is not attractive. So I want to change color. Select the object. Change what color that you want. Now see how this teacup model. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.